my friend, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Now on the table I have a whole bunch of materials because we are going to get crafty. We are going to do a bit of crafts. You will notice that I have 3 brooms, and these are our subject. We are going to decorate them to make lovely wall hangings, and we are going to do decorate the brooms 3 ways, right? And that's why we have 3 brooms. Now, to begin with, what I have done is shaven off the bottom of the broom so that it looks more tailored, right? And what we're going to do with the first one here is to start by putting something at the top that you can use to hang the broom on the wall. And also the broom has wires at intervals on the handle here. I don't want the wires to show, so we're going to cover the wires too. So let's go ahead and begin with covering the wires and making the, should I say, the hanger. Okay, so I am gonna use burlap twine to do this broom. So, and I have my glue gun going because we are going to be using some hot glue along the way. So I'm going to put my broom flat, and then I'm going to go ahead and dab a little glue here. And I'm going to dab a little glue on the other side. And then I'm going to affix the cord that I just cut to the broom. So now the handle is on. I am going to go ahead with the burlap twine, and I am going to start at the top here. We are going to start at the top here. I'm going to treat this part of the broom as the back. So I'll start my twine from the back. I'm going to pinch this in to the middle, and I'm going to put some hot glue. I think I need to put another stick in. And I'm going to just press the twine onto the top here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start twisting the twine around the top here. It's not your turn yet. Go wait your turn. Okay. Okay, I'm going to keep going, and I'm going to go down onto the broom handle. And I'm going to go down until I have covered not only the wire, but also where I have placed the holder or the hanging system for the broom. Okay, just gonna cut this, and then I'm gonna finish it off by dabbing a little glue, and then pushing the end of the twine down. Gotta make sure that it holds. You be very careful now, because the hot glue does burn. My fingers are made of steel, but the hot glue does burn, so be very careful. So now we have our little hanging thingy at the top. We're gonna go ahead and I think I might need just about, let's see how much. Okay, so just about this much for this wire, and then I'm gonna need for this wire, and at the bottom here. Okay, so let's just keep going until we get there. Then you'll see what we do. Okay. Bring it over. Now we have covered all the wires, and we have our little loop here for hanging. That is step one. I'm going to take it outside now and spray it with this paint. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to even off the bottom here. Yeah, I think it looks so much better like that. So the next thing we're going to do is put the loop at the top and cover the wires. And I am going to use this blue rope. There we go. Let's dab a little glue to the sides. You know how this works. So I am gonna just do a time lapse to speed it up, okay? I'm using a piece of lace fabric, and I'm just going to position it how I want it on the broom. Notice I have covered this area because I don't want the blue cord up here to get painted. Yeah, I think I want this, just like this, just like this. Yeah, but that's it. Oh, that's it. Look at it, guys. Just look at it. I'll put this outside. It's too stinky. Yeah. Now here it is. So let's move on and get this done. And again, I'm going to time lapse because you know what I'm doing here, right? The next step is to use these sunflowers that I picked up in the dollar store to decorate the broom. I actually used the brown to coordinate with the little brown centers of the flowers. Are they sunflowers? I'm not sure. Whatever flowers they are, they're cute. Okay, so I am going to start by just placing the flowers onto the broom to get a pattern going before I start gluing. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start gluing them on. Just dab a little glue. A little glue will do. It's always best to lay out your flowers first, just to see where you want to put them, and then go ahead and glue them after. Glue them in place. Okay, it's a pretty color broom, don't you think? Yeah, so when I sprayed it, I just decided to blitz a little spray up onto the handle, right? And so, yeah, let's go ahead and get it done. Oh, I was thinking I was going to use black, but black is not going to contrast enough with this color. So I think I am going to go ahead and use yellow. Yellow should be a better contrast. See, if I put this against here, it's way better than black. So yeah, I'm going to use yellow. Not only is yellow a better contrast, but the yellow, actually, this is a kind of a blue green, so the yellow will be more complementary. I gotta go ahead and glue it in the window because we don't want the yellow paint all over the broom. So Oh, here we go. Okay, there we go. So now we are going to put this on, and we are going to put it as high as we possibly can. I can feel that the paint underneath is a bit tacky, but that's okay. These letters are so big. It's gonna be good. So let me see what this looks like. Okay, yeah, let's go. It is stinky, you guys. Stinky, stinky, stinky. So let's move it. Let's put it on. Now we can see that it says live, laugh, love. I'm looking at them from your perspective, and I think I like them. Drop it in the comments and let me know what you think. Let's transform this into these 3 lovely wall hanging. Well guys, thank you so much for spending the time with me. I appreciate you. I appreciate everything that you do to support the channel. Now, if you have not yet subscribed, I would appreciate your subscription. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos, and do some watching too. Thank you so much again. Remember, never look at a thing as what it is only, but as what it can become. This to this. With that, you take care now. I will see you in the next video.